Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now friends. In this video we are talking about the SiaCoin. What's the price in schools and SiaCoin? What's the high price? What is the currently change of coin SiaCoin? In this video I will show you friends. So before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so kindly subscribe now ABS Tech channel for more news and updates friends. Now let's start the video. As you can see here, the current price of SiaCoin is about 0.032737 USD dollar is the current price of SiaCoin. And if we look the price change occur in SiaCoin, so the last 1 hour change is in positive, last 1 day change is in negative, last 1 week change is in negative. That means that the last 1 hour they again start jumping, and the last 1 day, last 1 week change is in negative friends. Now let's see for more details the price prediction chart of the SiaCoin. As you can see here, it's a good news for all SiaCoin holders. As you can see here, at this time we look, so they started is jumping upward friends at this time friends. As you can see here, it's a really fast down period of SiaCoin, but now they are trying to, they're struggling to take a jump in the future friends. As you can see here friends, now if we look the change occurred in the last one day friends, so the last 1 day change is about negative 3.77%, and the high price about 0.034565 and something like that. Here is a current price at this time in cryptocurrency market is about 0.032737 USD dollar is the current price friends. So here is a 34 and here is a 32, so I think 2% change occur in the price of SiaCoin friends. Now let's see, let I show you a surprise of as you can see here, the cryptocurrency is fast down. That is good surprise that every cryptocurrency is fast down. That is why don't worry about this fast. It's a temporary fast of every cryptocurrency. As you can see here, and a cryptocurrency market, every cryptocurrency is fast down at this time friends. So it's a temporary fast. Don't worry about this. Please hold your coin at this time friends, and after some time they again take an explosion and wait for a big jump, a big pump of SiaCoin at this time friends. They will give you a good amount of profit in the future. Please hold it at this time friends. So if you like this kind of more news and updates, kindly subscribe now ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates.